Article 210.6 Branch Circuit Voltage Limitations. The nominal voltage of branch circuits shall not exceed the values permitted by 210.6 A through D. A. Occupancy limitation. In dwelling units and guest rooms or guest suites of hotels, motels, and similar occupancies, the voltage shall not exceed 120 volts, nominal, between conductors that supply the terminals of the following. 1. Luminaires. 2. Cord and plug connected loads, 1440 volt amperes, nominal, or less than 14 HP. B. 120 volts between conductors. Circuits not exceeding 120 volts, nominal between conductors shall be permitted to supply the following. 1. The terminals of lamp holders applied within their voltage ratings. 2. Auxiliary equipment of electric discharge lamps. Informational note. See 410.137 for auxiliary equipment limitations. 3. Cord and plug connected or permanently connected utilization equipment. C. 277 volts to ground. Circuits exceeding 120 volts, nominal between conductors and not exceeding 277 volts, nominal to ground shall be permitted to supply cord and plug connected or permanently connected utilization equipment or the following types of listed luminaires. 1. Electric discharge luminaires with integral ballasts. 2. LED luminaires with LED drivers between the branch circuit and the lamp holders. 3. Incandescent or LED luminaires equipped with medium base or smaller screw shell lamp holders, where the lamp holders are supplied at 120 volts or less from the output of a step-down autotransformer, LED driver, or other type of power supply that is an integral component of the luminaire. Informational note, No. 1. See 410.90 for requirements regarding the connection of screw shell lamp holders to grounded conductors. 4. Luminaires equipped with mogul-based screw shell lamp holders. 5. Luminaires equipped with lamp holders, other than the screw shell type, when used within the voltage ratings of their lamp holders. 6. Luminaires without lamp holders. Informational note, No. 2. Luminaires with non-serviceable LEDs are examples of luminaires without lamp holders. 7. Auxiliary equipment of electric discharge or LED-type lamps. Informational note, No. 3. See 410.137 for auxiliary equipment limitations. WAR 8. Luminaires converted with listed retrofit kits incorporating integral LED light sources or accepting LED lamps that also conform with 210.6 C1, C2, C3, C4, or C5. D. 1000 volts AC or 1500 volts DC between conductors. Circuits exceeding 277 volts nominal to ground and not exceeding 1000 volts AC or 1500 volts DC, nominal between conductors shall be permitted to supply the following. 1. The auxiliary equipment of electric discharge lamps mounted in permanently installed luminaires, where the luminaires are mounted in accordance with one of the following. OA. Not less than a height of 6.7 m, 22 feet, on poles or similar structures for the illumination of outdoor areas such as highways, roads, bridges, athletic fields, or parking lots. OB. Not less than a height of 5.5 m, 18 feet, on other structures such as tunnels. Informational note. See 410.137 for auxiliary equipment limitations. 2. Cord and plug connected or permanently connected utilization equipment other than luminaires. 3. Luminaires powered from direct current systems where either of the following apply. OAA. The luminaire contains a listed DC-rated ballast that provides isolation between the DC power source and the lamp circuit and protection from electric shock when changing lamps. OB. The luminaire contains a listed DC-rated ballast and has no provision for changing lamps. Exception No. 1 to B, C, and D. For lamp holders of infrared industrial heating appliances as provided in 425.14. Exception No. 2 to B, C, and D. For railway properties as described in 110.19.